Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: leather steering wheel, telematics, daytime running lights, multi-zone AC, power mirror, tow hitch, ABS, and leather seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.